Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome to my channel Mumbai Musafir. So, since the past few days, I have been getting queries regarding the drone video which I had uploaded, the vlog that I made with Mohammad Salim Khan when I went to purchase the Mavic Pro with him. A lot of you have asked me from where did I buy the drone, not me, basically MSK Vlogs. So, Salim bhai ne drone kahan se liya? And what's the price of the drone and where can I get the drone from, can I get the contact number, and so many questions. In this video I'm going to clear all your queries, so without much ado, let's get started. So first things first, I have noted down all the list of questions and I'll be going through them one by one. Before purchasing the drone, let's talk about the legalities of the drones. There is already one video made by Vikas Rachmala about the drone legalities. You can check that on YouTube and most of your questions regarding the legal issues will be answered. I had a personal word with him regarding the drone legalities in India and he gave me a good insight. I personally, being a professional drone operator now, I have been using my drone for professional work since past 7-8 months now, so I have a good knowledge now about the legal issues and where all you can fly the drone, where to get the permissions from. So is drone banned in India? Well, certainly not. Owning a drone and buying a drone is not banned, it's perfectly legal, but flying the drone is actually banned in India. So there are a lot of facts and myths about it. So some people say it's banned in India because it's a product from China, and since the company DJI which makes the drone, it's from China, so there is a possibility that whatever you record wherever you fly the drone, especially in big cities, so all the data that is captured with your drone can be transmitted to DJI and via DJI to Chinese government, and it will be easier for the Chinese government to plan attacks on India. These are the kind of rumors that have spread in India. It's actually a myth, it's not the case, because यार DJI को कोई काम धंधा नहीं है क्या यार? काफ़ी सारे काम है, वो सारे लोगों के ड्रोन्स के फुटेजेस थोड़ी ट्रैक करते बैठेगा. Yes, it does track your flight records wherever you're flying your drone and which places you have flown and all that stuff, but certainly it doesn't capture the video footages or the photos that you click. Those are not really transmitted to DJI. And the other thing is, because of terrorist strike, yes, that's a fact that there were drone strikes by Pakistan, and that's the reason the drones are banned in India currently. So the Indian government has not clearly made any perfect laws regarding flying of drones. There is no licensing of drones as such, like in Dubai. I saw this video about the licensing of drone by Siddharth. So he's currently staying in Dubai and he owns a drone, and he made this nice video of how to get the license in Dubai. So over there, basically what you do is just like you give the test or the exam for your automobile or the 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler licensing. The same process is followed in Dubai for drones. So you have to go there, you have to fly the drone and get your license. So you are an authorized drone pilot after you get your drone license in Dubai. So something like that is not happening right now in India, and there is nothing as such as drone licensing in India. So यार ऐसे ही उड़ा लो ड्रोन, अब क्या करें, लाइसेंस तो दे रही नहीं है. So moving forward to the next question, do you need permissions? Yes, you certainly need permissions. Wherever I have flew my drone, जितने भी बार मैंने उड़ाई है ड्रोन आज तक, most of them, like 90% of the times, I flew my drone with proper permissions, or there was some legal authority guy with me. मैंने कभी risk नहीं लिया है except for the first video which I made that was in my native. It's my showreel. You can go and check it out. I'll put that in the I button over here and you can click that and check the video. Other than that, I think all the videos that I have shot with my drone was for purely professional reasons, and it was done with proper permission. So yeah, you do need permission, but one thing to note over here is that even if you're flying without the permission. So for example, let me just give you a simple example. So if you're flying your drone, say from, like, you're in a high rise tower, maybe some 50 floors, especially if you're in Mumbai, and you decide to fly your drone from your balcony or your window. You go around, take a shot, you fly your drone for 10-15 minutes. I mean, who is actually going to spot you? Like, who is going to catch you? यार कौन पकड़ने वाला है आपको? कोई ढूंढ भी नहीं पाएगा. It's like that. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैंने बोल दिया तो आप जाके कहीं पे भी ड्रोन उड़ाएंगे. There is a possibility that you might be caught, and if you're flying for the wrong reasons, then you might land up in trouble. So don't blame me after that. So it's always better to fly your drone with permission. Now the main question comes, where to buy the drones from? So I basically did a simple Google search, where to buy drones in India, and honestly speaking, I really couldn't find any good results. But yeah, there is one place where you can definitely find out which are all the authorized dealers of DJI. From the DJI website itself, it's as simple as that. So people keep asking me where to buy drones from in India, where to buy drones in Mumbai, where to buy drones, what is the cost of the drone. Yeah, दोस्तों, I think it's simple logic that DJI के वेबसाइट पे जाओ, वहाँ पे जाके सर्च करो, and you will get it. That's what I did, and here is a screenshot of what I did. Alright guys, so I have basically got the link from the DJI store itself, dji.com/where to buy, and you can easily guys, this is the best thing ever. So people have been searching for this but they couldn't find it, and so okay, so over here you can see, just type in your continent, your country, and search by your zip code. So these are basically all the stores which are present in India, the authorized DJI resellers, and I won't search by zip code. So let me just zoom into the map, and as you can see over here, let me just, yeah, so there are like 3 DJI stores in Delhi and Greater Noida and Uttar Pradesh. So in North India there are total 5 stores, and over here in Gujarat they have like 3 stores, one in Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Surat each, one in Mumbai, so 4 stores in west part, one is there in Hyderabad, and one in Kochi, one in Bangalore, one in Chennai, and one in Kolkata. So basically there are like, how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 5 here. So there are total 14 DJI authorized resellers in India selling drones and other DJI products. So you can just go to this link and you can simply get the address of that place. So all the address over there, or all the address of the stores are mentioned here with their contact numbers, so you can easily guys contact these guys and ask the price and whatever your queries are. So those were the authorized dealers in India where you can buy the drones from. Other than that, there might be some people who, you know, might sell the drone for cheaper rate or maybe at the same price, but certainly they won't provide you with the invoice and they won't give you any service warranty as such, because they are not the authorized dealers. So it's always better to buy the drones from the authorized dealers. So basically, like in Mumbai, you might find few stores here and there in Lamington Road or maybe Bora Bazaar. So you can just Google it out and check if you can find any shops which sell the drones over there, and you can purchase it. Okay, so moving forward to the next question, many people ask me that whether I have taken any professional training and did I do any course to fly the drone, and my answer is no. I mean, it's not even legal in India. How can someone provide any professional coaching for flying the drone? In Dubai, there is a coaching institute, not a coaching institute basically, where you get the license made. Over there, they teach you to fly the drone as well. But in India, I don't think there is any place where you can find anyone teaching you how to fly the drone. So it's basically trial and error. So it's like you have a DSLR camera in your hand, you don't know anything about it, you just take it, move on the road, start shooting, start experimenting, do trial and error, and that's how you learn. As simple as that. In India, there are no professional training institutes where you can learn how to fly your drone. But yeah, to learn the basics, you can purchase your drone from the authorized resellers, and over there their staff will teach you how to fly your drone. They will teach you some basics and safety precautions. So it's always better to buy your drone from the authorized DJI reseller. Talking about me, I personally purchased my drone. I just came in the afternoon, I read the manuals. In the evening I was watching a few videos, and next day morning 4 a.m. I went out for a shoot, that too a professional one. So it was a pre-wedding at Karjat. So I basically bought my drone just a night back. I didn't even fly it even once because I couldn't fly it at my home, and boom, I just went on location, and that was the first time where I flew my drone in front of the client. And that pre-wedding was awesome. You can check behind the scenes and the vlog about it on my channel. The very first video that you see on my channel, that's my first flight ever, and the link will be in the description below, and also on the I button over here. You can click the I button and watch that video if you haven't already. So yeah, after the first flight I went to my native, and over there I practiced a lot. I was in my native for about 2 weeks, and I pretty much did a good job. You can see my drone showreel if you haven't already seen it. So moving forward, about the servicing of the drones. So one good thing about the DJI products is that if you purchase it from the authorized reseller, you get about 1 or 2 years servicing free, and that's basically related to any software issues, motherboard issues, or the battery issues. But if you crash your drone, if you bang it, if the drone falls, if it crashes and there is a physical damage, then nothing can be done. And if it's a major damage, then probably you will have to replace some parts, which will cost you money, and I purely use it for my professional reasons, so I've been able to recover the cost as well. So now coming to the price of the drone, as mentioned earlier, I have already given you the link from where you can purchase the drone, and over there you can find the address and the contact details of the authorized resellers, so you can easily call them and ask them what is the price of the drone. So basically it changes like within 2 days or 3 days, maybe even every day. The price of the drone keeps fluctuating and changes from time to time. So every time you call them, you will get a new price. And yeah, so if you are interested in buying the drones, you can just contact them and ask them all the details, whatever they are giving, how many batteries they are providing, and what other accessories they are giving. So the next question that many of you ask is how to carry your drone in flight safely, and also how to carry it abroad and get it back without going through the hassle of customs and all. Also the other questions that most of you ask is what is the battery time, what is the flight time, how long it can go, how high it can go, has your drone ever lost your GPS connection, does it provide the 27-minute of battery time that DJI claims? Well, certainly not, but there are certain conditions at which you can get that flight time. So if you want to know the answers to such questions, do comment down below and I'll make another video on the same. And I want to know if you have any more queries or questions or suggestions. Do put them in the comment below and I'll try and answer those queries and questions. If you have liked this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you found this video helpful, do share it with your friends who are planning to buy the drones and who want to know more about flying the drone and the legalities in India. So please subscribe to my channel because it really motivates me to make such amazing videos and helps the channel to grow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Abhijit signing out. Bye bye.